All right, we are going to make lentil and vegetable soup tonight. This involves a lot of celery, garlic cloves, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, turmeric, paprika, lots of yumminess. Anyway, lots of good stuff. So we're gonna chop up the onion first. And you don't have to put all the stuff in there if you don't want to. Okay. All right, so first we want to heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. And it's going to be about a tablespoon of the stuff right here. Okay. Perfect. All right, then add onion, carrot, celery, garlic to pot and saute for 5 minutes until vegetables are softened, until we've put them under the heat long enough. All right. A little bit of that. Woo! Get those vegetables going. All right. So that is garlic. Alexa, 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, starting now.
I think for my soup, I'm going to go ahead and add these little baby potatoes since I'm not putting in the celery and the carrots. Of course, you know, anytime you have a recipe, you can kind of make changes if you want to and substitute things because you are the cook of your own kitchen. Unlike that one movie where the lady thinks she's dying, Queen Latifah, it's a great movie. She's in a movie where she thinks she's dying, so she goes to this foreign place and this really nice hotel and this chef that she watches, and she makes sure to not get any substitutions at all because she wants exactly the stuff that the chef makes. It's a pretty good movie. It's called The Holiday. I'd recommend it. You add the potatoes in there, add everything else. Make sure you stir it up a little bit. You don't want things to get stuck to the bottom of the abyss or pan. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is add cumin, turmeric, paprika, salt, and pepper. About a teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of paprika, and of course salt and pepper as you like. And sometimes I like to eyeball the spices, add a little bit more, take a little away if you need to. Anyway, it's always good. Alexa, stop. All right, so now we've got our those green beans. Add some diced tomatoes. You can dice your own homegrown tomatoes from your garden if you want to. It probably would taste better than the canned kind. And then the vegetable broth and water. Now we want 2 cups of water and 4 cups of low sodium vegetable broth, which is like that. All right, bring the soup to boil, and then once it starts boiling, just put the, well, you have to put a lid on it, but then reduce it to simmer for 30 minutes and you will have your own lentil and vegetable soup. Of course, you can add or take away any of the fun ingredients for that, but thank you for joining me. Have a good day.